Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is an addition to the final update on Lucky. For those who are just seeing this, Lucky was 11-week-old male black and white kitten that I rescued from an intersection. It was rainy and it was fairly dark. And there was a bunch of traffic in front of me, and the traffic kept going around something in the road. And when I got there, I discovered it was a kitten. So I got out of my car and rescued it. Well, we took it to an animal hospital, and they basically charged us an arm and a leg, and to basically get Lucky stabilized. Well, that bill was going to start rising even more. So the wife decided to check with the SPCA and find out if they could do anything, and they immediately said, get him out of there. So we did. $650 later. The volunteer tech at the Hornell SPCA her name is Mary. Excuse me, Mary. She took Lucky into her own care and had him for a little over 7 days. So she was with him the whole time, trying to get him to. She had to feed him by syringe. They did the analysis on him, and they felt he had brain damage, as well as his eyes were super dilated, which means he was blind. So she took care of him. He kept getting better, and then he, I guess, stabilized, and then he did a lot of crying, continuous crying, which I'm assuming meant that he was hurting. So she made the decision that Thursday, which is today, they were going to go ahead and put him to sleep. Well, we got a call saying that Lucky had passed at 4 o'clock on Wednesday. So he is now in eternal rest, no more pain. But the poor guy didn't even get a chance. So I know Mary's heartbroken the fact that he didn't make it, but I'm sure she's relieved that she didn't have to put him to sleep. And as for us, Patricia went and got him, and we put him in his eternal resting spot today. So click on the link, and you can join us in saying goodbye to Lucky. I'm also going to put a link in my Facebook where you can donate. I'm not sure if you can donate directly to the SPCA, but I'm sure you can donate to the National SPCA, and I hope you do. This will mean that Lucky didn't die in vain. and that money will help other luckies who aren't so lucky. So, not much I can say beyond this, but thank you for watching. Thank you for donating. And if another one of these situations comes along, there'll be another video. And one of my old friends has a website, and she is constantly putting up videos of abused animals, and a couple of them are situations where people have seen individual drivers throwing animals out of vehicles. So I hope I never see that, because it's going to be a nightmare for that person. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video. And just say a quick prayer or a thought for Lucky. And if you've gone through the same scenario, definitely comment.